What's good, everybody? Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com doing an unboxing and a review of the Economy Carpet Knee Kicker. Now, I've seen these things everywhere. I've never handled one, haven't tried them out yet, but they're stupid cheap. They're anywhere from $20 to $30. You can find them at Home Depot, Lowe's, Harbor Freight, and eBay for sure. So under $30, the price right off the bat is great, but do you get what you pay for on this one? So let's open this up, check this out. I'll give you my 2 cents on it, and we'll go from there. So, got a kicker here delivered in a poly bag. Got a little instruction manual. 1 page, I'm sure loaded with awesome tips on how to use the kicker here. But let's get right into this, see what we're working with. Get this obnoxious poly bag off of it. Alrighty, so what I like so far, the price for sure, $30, and I picked this one up at Home Depot just to do the review there. 30 bucks, great price for a kicker. Has a nice rubber grip on it, or a foam grip. I like that as well. Here's what I don't like. It doesn't adjust at all. So this size is it, and it's small, so you gotta be careful kicking so you don't miss it and blow out your knee. The other thing, there's no additional teeth on this, so it's just these, which could cause a lot of raking on the carpet. So that's another big negative one there. But here's what I do think. If you're the DIY type, you want to slap in a bedroom and say you knocked it out yourself and you're good to go, then great. This might be a good kicker for you. But I think what we're going to do is I will actually bring this to work this week, and I will shoot a video of me installing a room using this kicker. I probably won't use it on anything bigger than a 20-foot room, just because I could see this being a real disaster, you know, trying to really blast in a room. But like a 12 by 20 or smaller, I'll do a video using this. So if you do invest in one of these, you can see how it operates, and we'll just go from there. I think after that, I will actually end up giving this away in one of the tool giveaways. So if you want to get in on that action, drop by CarpetExpertBlueprint.com. Be sure to tap the subscribe button as well on the YouTube channel. And if you sign up every single week, we pick a random subscriber and send them out some DIY tools. And I think I'm going to throw this in one of the bundles in the upcoming weeks. So be sure to get in on that. There will be a link below the video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one.